Today, making a video, 2002 Honda Odyssey alternator replacement. Rails the car guy, by the way. Welcome to my channel. Subscribe. More likely, have your battery light stay on when the car running. The light just stays on, the battery. 9 times out of 10, that's your alternator is bad. Almost a 10 out of 10, but it could be the wire unplugged or something like that. But right now I'm about to jack it up, take the tire off. As you see, the alternator's right there, that guy right there. I'm taking the tire off so I can get to the belt and release the belt tensioner. Oh, I remember these. And to get this alternator out of here, you gotta move this power steering pump out the way. It's a little clip right there. Probably back, slide that off of there. And you might gotta move this water tank. I don't remember, but I'll let you know in a second. To take the tire off, I use the 19mm impact. 19mm, zap those right off. Right now I'm gonna remove this shield so I can get to the belt and have clearance so I can see. Basically, I need to take that clip off, and probably one up under there somewhere, but let me get that done and I'll let you know what I did. All right, now you want to disconnect the positive terminal. This one had an 8mm. This one is a 10mm. I don't know what's standard on here, but anyway, get that off. Loosen these two screws on this little cover. It's just like that. Get it out your way because it sits over this. We need that out the way. Get out the way. If it makes it easier for you, there are 4 10mm. I can't even see it. See the screw down there? 1, 2, 3, 4. You can move the entire cover out your way and then move that out the way. But that's it for now. All right, let me get to taking this belt off. Belt comes off first. Okay, I got the cover partially out the way. I removed this top clip. This came down swinging, but all you need to get to, let me show you, is that tensioner bolt right there. See that? Put this on there, and you're gonna pry down to loosen the tension off of the belt. I put 2 wrenches together like this. See that? See the belt come loose right there at the bottom? See it right there? Yeah, pry down, take the belt off. All right, let me pause this so I can get that belt off of there. And that should be all you need to do down here. So I got the belt off, got it just hanging off. You don't got to take it all the way off, but you can if you want to. Now, the belt is loose on this alternator. And put my hand down in here. Take the belt off the top of this alternator. Like so. All right. Now, we know this bolt's going to have to come out. It's a bolt right there. It's going to have to come out from the top. I'm going to have to move this out the way. So, I'm just going to pull it up and moved it. But this hose is tight, so I might, I don't want to lose her fluid, so I'm going to just leave it loose like that. This also comes out, pull up, just lay it out the way, just like that. Just lay it out the way. That's the overflow tank. See that? See this? This creates the room to get the alternator out. Move that. That little bolt right there, it's gonna have to come out 10 millimeter. Move this bracket out the way so when you go to get this alternator out, you can swing it through here. Let me get some of this stuff done. All right, we got this top wire right here. Had to pull this cover back, take that off. It's a 12 millimeter. There's 2 wires back there. It goes right there on that prong. Right there, the top wire of the alternator. The second wire is a push. You gotta push the clip in from the side right here. Push in, pull out. But once I get the alternator loose, I can get to it better to pull that off. Another thing, that tensioner pulley, it's in the way of this bolt. We have a bolt. Damn, this camera is stupid. We have a bolt right here behind this pulley. Right here where my finger is at. It looked like a 13 or 14 millimeter. But I gotta move that tensioner pulley out the way. So in order to do that, I went down here. So back down here. I thought I wasn't coming back down here, but here I am. So this is the tensioner air piston right there. You ain't gotta worry about that. That's the nut that we use to pry down to get the belt off. But the one above that, that's a 3/4, but this is a 17 millimeter above that. You take that out. Now I got that bolt off. As you see, that pulley just moved right out the way. There's a bolt right there behind it. You got enough room to get it out. Let's get that out of there. Yeah, I must show you this because some of y'all don't know. See that? I got a long ratchet, extendable ratchet. I put a 9/16 on there, and that's the bolt. And we're just getting it out of there. And that's the last bolt that need to come out. And this alternator is loose. Just 2 bolts holding it in, and the 2 wires on the back. Get it out of there. The belt off. Move this stuff. We're gonna see what else we need to move, but this is it. And this is why this must move. As you see, give it some room. I was able to pull up on it and twist it. So don't forget, you gotta get that clip. See the clip? I moved back the rubber boot. You see the clip? You gotta get that wire out. Then we can pull this on up out of here. And it goes back the reverse way. Word of advice. It was straight, and I turned it like this, and I got that wire out. Push in the clip, pull the wire out. Leave it turned like this while you get it through this hole. You can move that. That's why I took it off the clip. And I moved that clip bracket out the way as well. Move that and you can get it right through here. Wiggle in between. This kind of stiff. If this giving you any issue, take that 10 millimeter screw out right there and it'll give you more play. But I didn't need to. I was able to squeeze it through here. Boom, get it out. Now when I go put the new one in, I'm going to go the same way. Plug the wire up. Twist it back and put it in place. Just everything in reverse. There you go, buddy. All right, well, you guys have a nice day. I'm not going to show me putting it back, but that's how you change the alternator 2002 Odyssey. Here's the new guy. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, this is the new guy. Rails the Car Guy, subscribe to my channel. Rails the Car Guy, subscribe to my channel. Now guys, hopefully this helped you guys out. Have a good day.